Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own mockups on Pixelcut.ai. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Pixelcut.ai. We want to create mockups. There's a few different ways of doing this, and they kind of got that all like sort of laid out, which is great. You can see under workflows, they've got sort of like templates. So we've got clothing, jewelry, and product. So if you go into product, you'll see that is what it could potentially look like. We've got some jewelry mockups, and then of course some clothing mockups. So for example, if we choose like the lifestyle apparel model or the studio apparel model, whatever it is, go ahead and choose the model, right? And this basically allows you to turn pretty much anything into a mockup. So over here, you are going to upload your image. So go ahead and click on upload image. So I've got this floral dress over here, and underneath model here, you are going to describe what it is that you would like this dress to look like. So you can say, all right, so we can go and have a look at exactly what it says here. So we are looking for model must be added. The dress must be added to a woman while standing on the beach, and with the sunset in the background, and we can just add golden hour lighting. Go ahead and click on generate. So you will be redirected to this page, and on your left hand side over here it says create, and this is basically where you will see all of your history. Okay, and you can see now it says examining, it's preparing to get started, and if you give it a few seconds, it's going to generate the results.